Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today we're gonna do some food photography with the Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. And today we've set a challenge for ourselves. We are gonna try 3 different modes in this camera that I think are best for food photography and see which one works the best. Those 3 modes are gonna be the auto mode, food mode, and the close-up mode. So let's see which one is best. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. So recently I started doing some food photography with my Nikon Coolpix B500 and I found so many modes in it that may help me. But I've kind of zeroed in on the 3 modes that I found best for food photography, and let me show them to you in this video. So let's jump into them. First, the auto mode. The auto mode in the B500 is kinda like a manual mode because it allows me maximum control over my settings. So let me show you my settings. I'm going to set my ISO to the least 125 because if I set a higher ISO, I'm bound to get a lot of noise in my images, which I want to avoid. Now because my ISO is low, my shutter speed will not be very fast. To correct that, I will use a tripod. White balance, I have so many white balance modes and I will choose the one as per my setup. I guess daylight works best, but you must use the white balance mode as per your scene, or else you can place some white paper in your scene and then set your white balance mode to preset manual so that the camera can take the white balance from the white color of the paper. But please be very careful while using preset manual, because if you don't get your white balance right or something goes wrong there, you're bound to ruin all your images. So to be on the safe side, it's better to use the auto mode and let the camera take care of things for you. For the release mode, I'm going to use single, AF area mode manual so that I can place the focus point by myself in the frame. Autofocus mode pre-focus, and I'm gonna hit this button to the right of OK and adjust the brightness around -0.3 is fine. One more thing, I'm gonna turn off digital zoom because I don't need it for food shots. So go to the setup menu, digital zoom, and turn it off.
I will click images without flash and with fill flash.
Next, food mode. For that, I will switch to the scene mode and go to the menu and select food. As soon as I do that, the camera zooms in. You can zoom in and out later as you like. The macro mode is on by default. Here the focus will be what I have set in the auto mode. Now since I had set manual focus in the auto mode, I will get manual focus here. Click the button to the right of OK and adjust the exposure compensation. You cannot set your ISO and white balance here. Also, you cannot use flash. One setting I get here is that I can set a color tone for my image. So I can keep it white or give it a blue tone if I want a cold look, or an orange tone if I want a warm look. Let me click one image in each tone for you and show you how it looks. First the white, then I'll give it a cold bluish look, and lastly a warm orange look. Next, close-up mode. Once again, I will go to the scene mode, go to the menu and select close-up. As soon as I do that, the camera zooms in again. And again, I can zoom in and out further as needed. Macro mode is on by default. Here also, I will get the focus mode as per the mode I have set in the auto mode. In the auto mode, I had set manual, so I will get manual mode here. So if I want to change my focus, then I have to go back to the auto mode, change it there. So I will get it here in the close-up mode. Click on the button to the right of OK and adjust the exposure compensation again. You can't set your ISO and white balance, but I can use flash here. I don't have the color tone slider here, or else this mode is quite similar to the food mode.
I will click images without flash and with fill flash.
So guys, as a conclusion, I guess the auto mode works best because it allows me to set my ISO and white balance manually. Also, I can directly choose my focus and I can also use flash. It makes a huge difference. But you can use whatever you like, guys. You can use whichever mode works best for you. That is the aim of this tutorial, to show you the different modes available in your camera so that you can experiment and see which one works best for you. And in case this video helped you do that, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which mode you like to use in your P500. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial with the Nikon Coolpix P500. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.